Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use crypto. Com to buy Bitcoin Easy Guide. Open the Crypto. Com app and complete identity verification before depositing funds. Link your bank or card, then enable 2FA for security. Decide how much to invest and choose a buy order for BTC. Review fees and exchange rates before confirming. Keep records of your transactions and consider a hardware wallet for long-term storage. Funding your account is simple and depends on speed and cost. Bank transfers often offer lower fees and larger limits, while cards let you buy instantly for convenience. If you already hold stablecoins, transferring them can be cheaper and faster in some cases. Check the deposit processing times and any conversion fees. Always confirm the receiving network when moving coins between platforms to avoid loss. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear, practical tutorials. Quick recommendation: The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can change how you think about money and investing, and it pairs nicely with learning long-term crypto habits. It explains saving, investing, and simple strategies you can follow. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Buying Bitcoin on crypto. Com is straightforward once funded. Tap Buy, select BTC, then pick market or limit order depending on whether speed or price matters more. Enter the amount in fiat or crypto and review the fee and total BTC you'll receive. Confirm the trade and monitor the transaction in your portfolio. For recurring investments, consider setting up a recurring buy to dollar cost average over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.